let's have multiple choice 25 and 26. So, ang pinapakompute sa atin, gross compensation income subject to graduated rates at saka yung fringe benefit tax. So, may mga items na naka-enumerate dyan. So, alin dyan yung subject to graduated rates? Una, yung salaries and wages na 681,200, pero ibabalik po natin yung withholding tax na 134,800. Pero hindi na po natin ibabalik yung SSS Medicare kasi talagang tax exempt yon. And then, yung fixed allowance na 60. Kapag po ang allowance ay fixed, that means it is a regular compensation. Kaya isasama mo siya sa income subject to graduated rates. Kaya po ang sagot natin dito is 876,000. Note, meron po tayo dyang 13th month tsaka Christmas bonus. Pero pag tinotal mo, 83,000 lang. So, tax exempt po yan because it did not exceed the 90,000 ceiling. For multiple choice 26, pinapakompute yung fringe benefit tax. Ang fringe benefit lang po dyan ay yung allowance na no liquidation na 48,000. Kasi po pag yung allowance no liquidation, ibig sabihin hindi siya business related. Binigay sa manager pero hindi siya gagamitin for business related expenses. So baka nga fringe benefit yan. Kaya yan po yung isa-subject natin sa fringe benefit tax. So, go-gross up natin and then i-multiply sa 35%. You'll have the fringe benefit tax of 25,846. And by the way, yung gasoline allowance dyan na subject to liquidation is not fringe benefit. Kasi po, subject siya sa liquidation, meaning it was given to the employee para gamitin sa mga expenses related to the employer's business.